Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to know something cool, something great, something dynamic in ServiceNow. Okay, yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to know, we are going to learn something cool, something great, something dynamic in ServiceNow. Okay, and guys, today in this video we are going to know, we are going to learn that how to create a form in ServiceNow and how to take a user inputs through a form in ServiceNow as well. Okay, yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to know something cool, something great, something dynamic in ServiceNow. And guys, today we are going to learn that how to create a dynamic form in ServiceNow and how to take user inputs, how to take user value through a form in ServiceNow as well. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the features and functionalities of the example to you so that we will get to know that today what we are going to learn and today what we are going to create in this video, in this tutorial with me, ER Prabhat Pandit in ServiceNow. Okay, so let me go to the example now. So guys, this is the example I have built in ServiceNow. So guys, here we can see the logo of ServiceNow as well, and this is the main navigation bar, and these are the main navigation items. Okay, knowledge, catalog, request, system status, cart, tours, and system administrator, which is currently me. And guys, this is the search input field. Okay, so guys, through this search input field they can search anything, but in ServiceNow only we can't search the things from the outer world. Okay guys, this search input bar, this search input field is going to work like a Google search engine, but guys, this search engine is going to work in only ServiceNow. Okay, we can't access the things from the outer world. Okay, but guys, we can literally search anything, but in ServiceNow only we can search any software, we can search any hardware, we can search any applications, we can order any like software, we can order any applications through this search input field, and then we can order them for our office works, for our office purposes. Okay, so guys, I'll explain you, I'll give you the demo in the next few minutes. So guys, if you aspire to become a great and dynamic ServiceNow developer in coming future, then guys, you must watch this entire video, because in this video, in this session, we are going to know, we are going to learn that how to create a dynamic form, how to take user inputs through the form as well. Okay, and guys, below is the heading, learn ServiceNow easily with ER Prabhat Pandit. Yes guys, if you want to learn ServiceNow, if you want to become a great and dynamic ServiceNow developer, and guys, if you aspire to become a great and dynamic and cool ServiceNow developer in coming future, then guys, you must subscribe my channel Code with ER, and guys, you must watch this entire video very carefully and very patiently as well, because from this video, from this session, we are going to learn a lot of new things, a lot of new uh, dynamic things in ServiceNow from today's video, from today's session of mine. Okay, and guys, here is the form. So guys, this is the user details form, useful in many applications in ServiceNow. Yes guys, you read that right. The form is guys, form is very useful in any application, in any kind of software, whether it is React application, whether it is Vue.js application, whether it is Angular application, whether it is Java script application, whether it is Java application, or whether it is ServiceNow application. Also, guys, form is very useful in any kind of application. Okay, so guys, today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn that how to create this dynamic user form, and how to take user inputs, how to take user value, and we will also learn that how to show them on the browser in ServiceNow service portal. Okay, yes guys, we are going to show the user inputs, user value in ServiceNow service portal, which we will take through this form. Okay, and guys, here is the input fields also: name, email, phone, designation, okay, address, select gender, and here is the select courses, and guys, here is the submit button. Okay, so guys, you have to fill all the fields. Okay guys, you have to fill all the fields like name, email, phone, designation, address, gender, and the course. Then only you will be able to submit this form. Otherwise you won't be able to submit the form. Okay, so guys, now very quickly I'm going to fill this form, and I'm going to show you the output. I'm going to give you the demo as well. Okay, so guys, here is the already I have filled the name, okay, for the demo purposes only. But okay, by default, technically or ideally, the form should be blank, the form should be empty, to be filled by the user only. Okay, this is it. But for the demo, I have just okay filled all the fields, okay, already. Okay, so that it will take a less time to explain you the things very easily and very efficiently. Okay, so guys, here is the name I have given here, Prabhat, and here is the email I have given here, prabhat@yahoo.com. Okay, let's just give here Pandit as well. So name is Prabhat Pandit, and email is prabhat@yahoo.com. Here is the phone number, here is the designation, software developer, and here is the address. I'll give here Pune. Okay, so Pune is very okay, like I mean the small address, so it will take a lot of it will take a very less time to write it. So every time I'll put here Pune only. Okay, this is it, and I'm going to hit this button submit without choosing this gender, and without without selecting any courses. Okay, so guys, I'm going to submit this form. I'm going to hit the submit button without choosing this the gender, and without selecting any courses. Okay, so let's just submit the form now. So you can see here, here is the error message: please select your gender. Okay, so guys, gender is compulsory, and choosing the course is also compulsory. We have to choose at least one course. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to choose the gender from this select drop down menu. Okay, so let's just click it, and I'm going to put here male. Okay, and now let's just submit it one more time without choosing, without selecting any courses. Okay, so hit submit button. See, please select at least one course. So we have to choose at least one course, then only we will be able to submit the form. Otherwise we won't be able to submit the form. Okay, this is it. So I'm going to choose here the itsm and itom. Okay, as a course I'm going to choose here itsm and itom, and now hit enter. So see, boom guys, you can see here record saved successfully. Guys, you can see here record saved successfully, and here I have shown the user data as well, what user have filled. Okay, so guys, this is the user data, what user have filled, okay, through the form. So here is the name, Prabhat Pandit. Here is the email, prabhat@yahoo.com. Here is the phone number. Here is the designation, software developer, and here is the address, Pune, and here is the courses, itsm and itom. Okay, this is it. Now I'm going to fill the form again with different username with different details. Okay, so let's just come here. So now the input field is now blanked, so now we have to fill here manually all the fields. Okay, so this time I'll say here Priya Kumari Sharma. Okay, and give here Priya KR at the rate Yahoo gmail.com and put here phone number, random number. This is it. Let's just give here designation as a UI designer. Okay, UI designer. Let's just give here address. So Pune is very small address, so every time I'll put here Pune only. It will take less time, and I'm going to select the gender as well. So give here female, and now I'll just choose here all the courses. Okay, ServiceNow, itsm, itom, hrsd, okay, atf, hrsd, and SecOps as well. So let's just now hit submit. So here is the old data, the old user data, Prabhat Pandit, and now I'm going to submit the new user data, which is Priya Kumari Sharma. Email is priya@yahoo.com. Phone number is this. Designation is UI designer, and address is Pune, and gender is female. And I have selected here all the courses: ServiceNow, ITSM, ITOM, ATF, HSRD, and SecOps. So now here is the old data. So now hit the button submit. So see, boom guys, you can see here record saved successfully, and here is the user data. Here is the user details. Name is Priya Kumari Sharma, email is this, phone number is this, designation is UI developer, address is Pune, and here is the courses: ServiceNow, ITSM, ITOM, hrsd, atf, and SecOps. Okay, and guys, here is the button to hide the result. Okay, so guys, okay, through this button we can toggle the result from showing it to hiding it. Okay, so here is the button to hide it. So now you can see here the result is now hidden, and you can see here the button text is now show result. So I'm going to click it again to see the result. So click it now. Here is the user details. Again hide it. You can see here now the button text is now hide result. So hide it. Now the button text is now show result. So click it to show the result. So again here is the button text hide result. So hide it, show result. Okay, so guys, through this button we can toggle the result visibility. We can show it, we can hide it. Okay, so guys, this is the feature, this is the functionalities we are going to build. We are going to create here one dynamic user form as well, and we will take the user inputs, we will take the user value through this form as well, and we will submit the form, and we will show the result here only below this form as well. Okay, so guys, this is the ServiceNow service portal. So first we will create here one service portal, one page, and one widget also, and then we will show, and inside the widget we will create this form. Okay, so guys, ServiceNow widget is a like reusable component. Okay guys, consider the ServiceNow widget as a reusable component. Okay guys, listen to me very carefully. Consider ServiceNow widget as a reusable component. We can use this widget in different portals as well, in different applications as well. So consider the ServiceNow widget as a reusable components. Okay, this is it. Okay, so here we are going to create the one form, dynamic form, and we will take the user input, and we will show the user data, user details also below the form only, and we will apply the form validation as well. Okay, yes guys, we will apply the form validation as well. Okay, so user can't fill the form, user can't fill the empty form. Okay, user have to fill all the fields. Okay guys, user has to fill all the fields. He or she can't submit the form without filling any input field. Okay, he or she has to fill all the fields. Okay, then only he or she will be able to submit the form. Okay, so we will apply here the form validation as well. Okay, so let's just submit here one last data. So I'll just say here Pooja Sharma. Okay, it's Sharma. Say here Pooja @hotmail.com. Say here phone number, any random number I can give here. This is it. Let's just give your designation as a MBA. This is it. Let's just give here Pune only. Address is very small, so I will write here Pune only. Select the gender also. So select the gender as a female. So I'll just say here this time only SecOps. Okay, only one course SecOps. Okay, so submit the button. Okay, hit the button submit now. So here is the old data, old user data, Priya Kumari data. So submit the button now, submit the form. So see, boom guys, here is the new user data. Pooja Sharma. Here is the email, pooja@hotmail.com. Here is the phone number. Here is the designation MBA. Here is the address Pune, and here is the course SecOps only. This is it. We can hide the result and we can show the result also. So we can toggle the visibility from hiding it to showing it the result from this button, show result and hide result. Okay, you can see here we can toggle the things. Okay, so guys, we will also learn, okay, how to, okay, create this form inside Angular, because we all know ServiceNow uses the Angular. Okay, so we will also learn a little bit of things in Angular as well. Okay, if you don't know what is Angular, so guys, just don't worry, I'll explain you everything in depth, in details. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this portal, and let's build this search navigation bar as well, and let's build this dynamic user form, and let's apply the form validation as well, and let's create this dynamic form. Let's just, okay, create this, okay, like the toggle things as well in ServiceNow using the Angular only. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all, guys, please guys, subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and please press the bell icon also, so that you will be notified whenever I'll upload the new video in the playlist. Okay, so guys, you have to do here 4 things for me. First, you have to subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and second, you have to press the bell icon also, so that you will be notified whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist. And third, you have to like this video, which will give me the confidence and motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on ServiceNow and on web development as well. And fourth, you have to share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups as well. Okay, so guys, I'm going to count on you, I'm going to trust you that you will subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and you will press the bell icon as well. Okay, so guys, this is it. Let's get started and let's learn and let's build this portal, let's build this search navigation bar as well, and let's create this dynamic user form, and let's take the user input, user value from the form as well, and let's just show them below the form as well. Okay, so guys, this is it. So guys, this is my PDI, personal development instance. Okay, so guys, first of all, what we will create here, first of all, we will create here one page, and then we will create here one portal, and then we will create the one widget as well. Okay, so let me just go to the first sublime text. Let's just go down very quickly. So let's just go down very quickly. So I'll say here page to save the page details. So let's just say here portal to save the portal details, and let's just save here widget details as well. Okay, widget details as well. Okay, this is it. So first of all, I'll create the page, and then portals, and then one widget. Okay, so come here now, this is the filter navigator. Go to the page. Okay, go to the pages, click this link pages, open this, and I'm going to create here new page. Okay, so guys, I'm going to create here new page. Okay, so click the button new to create the new page. Here is the ID only required field, the mandatory field, and rest all fields are optional field. Okay, so let's just give you a title first. I'll say here Prabhat Pandit, form, say here form page. So let's just copy this text from here, and let's just give here name and ID as well. So let's just save here name to search it if we need it later on. Okay, so I'm just doing this to search the page very quickly and very efficiently without having any issues. Okay, without having any problems. Okay, this is it. So let's just give you ID as well. I'll say here 655. Okay, this, so copy this ID as well, and let's just paste it here ID as well. This is it. Let's just make it public first. Okay, and I'm going to give you the short description as well. So copy this text and paste it here. I'll say here Prabhat Pandit form page in ServiceNow. So now click here and hit save. So now page is now created. Let's just close this. So now second what will be create here, one portal. So let's just go to the filter navigator again, and let's just search here portals. Click this links. Okay, click this link, and now I'll create here the new portal very quickly. So click the button new. So I'll say here I can give here the title, and the URL suffix is the required field, and rest all fields are optional field. Okay, so let's just give here title URL suffix. Okay, URL suffix, this is it. So let's just give you a title. I'll give you a title as a Prabhat. So title should be unique, and URL suffix should be also unique. Okay, so I'll say here Prabhat tutorial. I'll say here 12. Okay, so let's just copy this title from here, and let's just paste it here. I'll give the URL suffix as a say here Prabhat. Okay, 12 only. Copy this, and let's just save this as well, so that we can search it later on very easily and very efficiently. Okay, this portal page. Okay, and guys, as a home page, we will give the page. Okay, we have just created. Okay guys, as a home page we will give the page we have just created. Okay, so let's just copy this name, or let's just copy this. Okay, ID only. We can search with the name, we can search with the ID as well. Okay, we can search with anything. Okay, so let's just click this search icon, and go to the for the ID only. So select here ID, and now hit enter. So here is the page, so click it. So here is our page. Okay, I'll give the logo as a ServiceNow logo I'll use here. So let's just choose this file. Okay, so let's just go to the downloads, and let's just go down, and this is the ServiceNow logo. I'll use this logo of ServiceNow. So click open. So now click this OK button, and here is the ServiceNow logo. So I'll choose here the main menu as well. So let's just click this search icon to choose the main menu. I'll use here the SP header menu. Okay, this SP header menu, this is it. I'll give the theme as well. So again click this search icon to choose the theme. So I'll just use here Coral. So click this Coral, and this is it. Let's just right click here, and now hit save. So guys, this is it. We have just created our ServiceNow service portal page. Okay, so guys, we have just now created our ServiceNow service portal page. Okay, and guys, here is the try it button to try it live. Okay, so let's just click this try it button to try it live. Okay, so click it. So guys, here is the our brand new ServiceNow service portal page. Okay, so guys, this is our brand new ServiceNow service portal page. Okay, so let's just close this now. We don't need this tab anymore. And now guys, I'm going to create here one widget. Okay, so let's just come here, and let's just go to the filter navigator, and let's just create here search here widgets. Okay, so click this widgets link. So now I'm going to create here the brand new widget by clicking this button new. Okay, so click it new. So now I'll give the widget name as well. So let's just first say here name and ID as well. Okay, so I'll just say here form Prabhat form. Okay, Prabhat form widget. Okay, let's just copy this, and let's just give this as a description as well, and give here the ID as a 1 2. Okay, like this, give anything ID as a ID. So let's just paste it here this ID, and let's just copy this name as well of the widget, and let's just paste it here, so that we will search it easily later on if we will need this. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, as of now, let's just make this public. Okay, as of now, just make it public, and now I'll just create here one variable also inside the client controller. Guys, inside the client controller column, I'm going to create here one variable, one header. I'll just say here, okay, c dot title. Okay, so guys, we all know this is known as the, guys, this c is known as the controller. Okay, guys, we all know what this c is all about, and how this works. Okay, I have explained you in my previous videos as well. If you don't know what is this c all about, just watch this video. Okay, just watch these videos. Okay guys, just watch these videos, you will know what is this. Okay, you will know what is this c all about. Okay, you will know what is this c all about. Just watch these all videos. Okay, if you want to know what is this c all about, although this c is called as the controller. Okay guys, this c is called as the controller, and this c will let you bind your data, your variable, your expressions, your function from this client controller, from this client script to your HTML part. Okay, to your HTML part. Okay, so I'm going to create here one variable as well. So I'll just go here and I'll just where is the old, okay, so let's just copy this text from here. I need this text. Okay, so now come here and just paste it here. So this is it. Let's just close this, and now we can use this c dot title in our HTML part, in our HTML template here. Okay, so I'm going to use here, okay, this so I'll just create here one div. Let's just give the class as well as a container, and let's just close this div now. And inside this div, I'll create here now one h1 element as well. So h1, let's just now say here the, this is known as the, guys, interpolation, but technically this is called as the string interpolation. Okay, so I'll just use here this c dot title, and I'll just give here the class as well. So I'll just say here header, copy this class name header from here and go to the css column. So put here point, paste it here, and now I can give here the font, okay, size of 40px, and I can give here the text align center as well. Okay, so guys, as of now, just save this widget now. So guys, now our widget is now saved. So first of all, we have to search this page now. So just copy this page name from here, and now go to the filter navigator. We have to search our page we have just created, okay, a few moments ago, few minutes ago. Okay, so just say here pages. So now click this link pages, and now come here and we will search this, not for the IT but for the text. Okay, so let's just paste it here, hit enter, and here's the our page. Okay, we have just created, so click it. So guys, now we have to open this page inside the designer. Okay, so guys, now we have to open this page inside the designer, in the designer. So just go down to the related links. Okay, so here is the related links. So we have to open this page in designer. So click the link, open in designer. So here is the page. Okay, so guys, now this is our ServiceNow portal we have just created. So I'll just create here, okay, this search navigation bar first. So just come here, I'll just go to the first, I'll just choose here the container. So click this, choose here 12. This is it. Inside the widget column only, we will search here home page search. So this is the home page search bar. Okay, so let's just drag it here and leave it here. This is it. So now let me just, okay, like enhance this. So just click this, okay, pencil icon. So now just click this. So I'll upload the image first. So click this button to upload the image. Okay, and just go down, go down, go down, and I'll use this image. Okay, I'll use this background image. So click this, open. This is it, and I'll choose the background style as a cover. Okay, as a cover. This is it. We can give here the width also. We can give you the parent class, we can give you the CSS classes as well, we can choose the background color as well, but I'll just don't bother about these things. This is it. Okay, you can give here fixed or fluid. Let's just make it here fluid, okay, as a width. And now just click this save button. This is it. And now just click here. Now click this pencil icon to edit this search bar. So I'll say here Prabhat Pandit search bar in ServiceNow. Okay, in ServiceNow give your short description as a Prabhat Pandit. This is it. And let's just give you the AI search as a, I can give you the search application as a knowledge, say here uh, knowledge portal search configuration. This is it. Let's just give you the search result configuration as well. So let's just click here and I'll give you the knowledge portal search. This is it. And let's just give you the placeholder as a please, okay, I mean not please, I'll say here search here anything. This is it. And let's just give you the AI search source filter as well. So I'll just choose here the all knowledge articles. Okay, now click save. I'm very sorry. So now this is going to save automatically. So guys, now just come here and now refresh this portal page. So see, boom guys, here is our brand new ServiceNow, okay, search input field. Okay, we can search anything. So see, this is the full width, okay, this is the fluid, and this is here the only, this is the fixed width, okay, and this is the full width. Okay, we can search here anything. Let's just search here phone. Okay, hit enter. So see, we can search here anything and we can order this phone. Okay, so this is the like ordering anything from any shopping site like Flipkart, Amazon. Okay, and guys, we can order this. Okay, services, we can order the any catalog item from our ServiceNow service portal page. Okay, so guys, this request will be go to the backend team, and the backend team will work on it. They will gather the information from you through applications, okay, chats, like okay, email, like WhatsApp, like calling in person as well, and from your office desk as well, they can contact you. And if you fill all the if you tick all the check boxes, then they will give you the like a software, they will give you the any kind of item. So this is like okay, so this is known as the self service. Okay guys, this is known as the self service in ServiceNow through service portal. Okay, and this is like ordering anything from any shopping sites like Flipkart, like Amazon. Okay, so we can order the software, we can order the application, we can order any catalog item as well for our offices, purposes, for our offices. Okay, works as well. Okay, this is it, and this is the feature, this is the functionalities of ServiceNow. Okay, so let's just go to the home now, and now we can search anything. This is it. So guys, now I'm going to search here the widget we have just created here. So let's just copy this widget name, Prabhat form widget, and we have to search here, and we have to call this widget as well here. Okay, so let's just first of all, let's just create here the container as well. So click this plus icon to create the container. So now okay, so let's just delete this. Yeah, so let's just create here the container, drag it here. Okay, so let's just create through this only, click this plus. So now I'll just search this widget, the widget we have created, copy it from here, and let's just paste it here inside the widget. Okay, inside the widgets tab only. So let's just paste it here, and here's our widget. Okay, Prabhat form widget. Okay, So let's just drag it here and drop it here. Okay, so let's just come here and now refresh this page. So we can't see our widget, so here is the issue, I guess. Okay, so let me just here is the issue. Delete this. So let's just again create this, click this plus icon. So again it is here. Let's just remove this and let's just drag this container. Yeah, it is going to be dragged here, so delete this, click yes, and let me just drag it here. Yeah, it is now here, so choose this. Okay, 12. Okay, so now we will search the widget name, copy this widget name from here and go to the widgets tab only, and let's just paste it here and now drag it here and leave it. Okay, so now this is it. We can see here the text now. So go here and now refresh this page. So here is our text: learn ServiceNow easily with Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to create this form now. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to create this form very quickly. Okay, so let's just come here. Okay, let's just come here to this. Okay, widget only. So where is the widget? So this is page only. Where is the widget we have just created? We have yeah, here it is. Okay, so here it is, guys, the widget. Okay, so let's just uh, do here some modifications. Let's just put here few dots and now let's just save this. Let's just bring it here, and now I've given here few dots. Okay, I've given here few dots. Let's just refresh this page now. So here is the few dots now. So this is our widget only. This is our okay widget. Okay, so let's just remove this, and guys, now I'll just create the form here first. So go to the HTML part. Okay, so guys, come here to the HTML part first. Okay, and inside below this h1 I'll just create here one form very quickly. So create the form, give the class as well. I can say here my form. Let's just close this form now. Not div, this is the form. Okay, so let's just close this form now, and inside this form what I'll say here, I'll just say here div, give the class as a okay, I can give you the class as a say here the what is the class name, guys, in the bootstrap only. I can say here form group. Okay, form group. Okay, form group, and let's just give here the margin top. Okay, 3 as well. This is it. Let's just close this div now, and inside this div I'll create the title and I'll create the input field. Okay, so now I'll create here the title. I can say here, the label, I can say here the label also. So close this label now. I can say here name. Okay, and inside this label I can create here the input field as well. So I'll just say here input of type. I'll give here as a text. Okay, and I can give here the placeholder as well. So placeholder I can give here and name. Okay, give you 3 dots. I can give you the class as well. So I can give you not class, is class, guys. Okay, so class I can give you form control. Form control, this is it. And now I can just give here the what I can give here, guys, I can give here the another attribute as well. So what will be the next attribute? Okay, so guys, what will be the next attribute? Okay, so I can say here the next attribute I can give here. As of now, guys, just not put here anything. So let's just give here a few like some gaps also. So now copy this, and now let's just paste it here. I can give here the email as well. So email, and I'll type give as an email as well. So email, this is it, and I can give you enter. Okay, enter email, email, this is it. And now I'll just paste again one more time this div only. Okay, and I can give you the name is done, and let me just see here what is this name, email, phone, and designation. Okay, so I can say here email and phone. So this is the phone, this is phone, and so I can say here type of tel. Okay, type of tel I'll say here, enter number. Okay, and let just be the class name same. And now I can create here the designation as well. So I can say here designation, this is it. I can give you the type as a text only. Let's just give you a type text only, and let's just give you enter designation, let it be. And now what is the next? So next is okay, select box. So as of now guys, just come here and save this file first. Okay, save this file, and now come here and now refresh this page first very quickly. So here is guys our form. Okay, so name is here, email is here, phone number is here, and designation is here, but I want our form to look different. Okay, so let's just what can I can do here guys. What I can do here, guys. Okay, so what I'll do here, I'll just cut the entire things. Okay, I'll just cut the entire things, and I'll create here one wrapper div or container div for the form only. I can say here form wrapper. Okay, and let's just close this div now. And now inside the form wrapper, I'll just paste the entire form. And now let's just copy this. Okay, class form wrapper from here, and now go to the CSS, and now below this give here, and I can say here the border radius of 10 px. I can give here the box shadow as well, 3 px, 2 px, and 20 px. I'll use here RGBA value. I'm very sorry guys. Let's just give you 3, this is it. And I can give you the border say here 2 px solid Gainsborough. Okay, this is it. And I can give you the width as well. So I can give you a width of 600 px. You can decrease it, you can increase it, it's up to us only. And I can give you the margin 0 auto. So guys, just now save this widget page first, and come here, refresh this page now. So this looks cool now. Okay, but I have to put here some classes also. So copy this container class. Okay, and let's just first of all let's just paste it here. And first of all, I'll just give here the what I can give here. I can give here the padding of 20 px, and I can give you the classes margin Okay, top I'll give you 40 px, and margin, okay, margin bottom I'll give you also 40 px. So now just save this page first, and now come here. So we are directly working on the server, so it might take some time to be saved. Okay, so now let's just refresh this page, and here is our, okay, brand new form. So let's just decrease this size. Okay, I don't want this title inside the form only. I can give you the inside the container only. This is it. And I do want here the title, but I want here the title as a, I can say here c dot, okay, form, okay, c dot form title. So copy this. I do need a title here inside the form as well. So go to the client script, and now we will say here user, what is the heading here? It's heading here user details, okay, form. Okay, so here is the heading. I'll say here user details form. Let's just okay, so close this, and now just save this file first. Okay, so guys, here we are going to learn here the ServiceNow scripting. Okay, so guys, we are learning here the ServiceNow scripting as well. Okay, so let's just come here and now refresh this page. I'm very sorry. So here is our user details form. Okay, and now we have to create here the select, okay, drop down as well. So let's just come here, and now I'm going to create here the drop down as well. So what I'll just do here, I'll just copy this div, and let's just paste it here, and inside this I'll just say here I can say here select gender. Okay, I can say here the text as a select gender. This is it, and I'll just remove this, okay, input, because we have to create here the select box. So I can say here select, and let's just close this select box as well, and I can give you the class as well as a form, okay, control, and open this select box, and now I can give you the options, okay, as well. So I can say here option, and I can close this option as well. Okay, so first of all, let's just copy this, and not copy this now I can give you the value as well, like this. Okay, so let's just copy this now, and now paste it, okay, 3 times, not 3 times, paste it here, rather 4 times. Okay, so I can give you I can say here, okay, select gender, okay, and let's just value be empty. Okay, and let's just say here I can say here selected, I can say here disabled. Okay, I can say here disabled selected, and I'll give you the value as a null only. This is it. And now I can say here male, I can say here female, I can say here other. Okay, so let's just say here male as a value as well. I can give you the female as a value as well, and I can give you the other as well as a value. Okay, so this is it. Let's just save this, and now just come here and now refresh this page. So here is our gender also. You can see here male, female, and other. Okay, choose other is here, female is here, and male is here. Okay, this is it. So now guys, what we will create here, the next we will create here the this, okay, address as well. So first of all, I have to create here the address as well. Okay, so go here, and now I'll just create, copy this, okay, div, and now let's just paste it here, and I'll just say here the address. So address will be the text area. Okay, text area. So I can just give here the text area. Okay, and I can just close this text area as well. Okay, so let's just close this, okay, text area as well. So now what I'll do here, okay, so guys, first of all, let me just give here, okay, give me 2 minutes only so that I can breathe in. Okay, so let's just remove this. Okay, I can just okay, so guys, give me guys, okay, 2 minutes only. Okay, so text area, we don't need here any type. Okay, so now just set this, come here and refresh this. So here is our, okay, text area also. Okay, so address. Okay, so here is our address field, and now we will create here the, okay, this, okay, select courses as well. So guys, as of now, let it be here, let it be this form only. Okay, so guys, now come to the this, okay, client controller. This is the client script. We have to create here few variables, we have to create here few objects as well. Okay, so guys, now we have to create here few variables also. We have to create here few objects. Okay, so but before creating the variable or object, I'll just create here the, okay, button guys. Okay, button is very important to submit the form. Okay, so I can say here button, and I can say here the type as well. I can say here submit only, so I'll give you a type only submit. I can give you the class as well. I can say here btn. I can say here info, and I can just close this button, and I can say here submit form now. Okay, submit form now, and this is it. Okay, so guys, this is it, and now I can just come here. So type is submit, this is it. Okay, this is it. So now we will create here. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to create here, okay, a few variables and a few objects inside the client controller. Okay, so guys, inside the client controller, I'm going to create here few variables and a few empty objects as well. Okay, so now let's just create here the, I can create here the I can say here c dot, okay, form data. So guys, this is going to hold the user input, okay, from the form. Okay, so guys, this is going to hold, this is going to store the user data, user value, which user will enter through the form input fields. Okay, which user will enter through the form input fields. This is going to store, this is going to hold. Okay, so let's just now create here another, okay, object. I can say here c dot, okay, user data, to show the user data. So I will just create here, this is again the empty object. Okay, empty, okay, object. Okay, so this is going to store the user data, which we will take from the user through the form. Okay, which we will take from the user through the form. This is going to store. Okay, this is going to hold. Okay, so this is it. And now, so guys, now here is the, okay guys, I'm going to use here the inside the, guys, inside the, okay, inside the form input fields, I'm going to use here the one, okay, angular directive also, which is known as the ng model. Okay, which is known as the ng model. So ng model is the known as the, okay, two-way data binding directive inside the angular, which is used inside the form input field. Okay, so guys, ng, okay guys, ng model is the two-way data binding directive used inside the form input fields in Angular. Okay, to take the user input, okay, from the form in Angular. Okay, so guys, and so guys, listen to me very carefully. Ng model is a two-way data binding directive in Angular be used inside the form input fields to take the user inputs, to take the user value in Angular. Okay, so I will just also use here ng model to do here two-way data binding. Okay, to do here two-way data binding from this form, okay, from this form to okay, to this client controller c dot form, which is the empty object. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, just doing this, Angular is going to, okay guys, just doing this, Angular is going to know that user is doing here two-way data binding. Okay, so guys, just writing here c dot form data equal to empty object, the Angular will know, the Angular will understand that you are doing here two-way data binding using the Angular directive, which is ng model, and ng model is a two-way data binding used inside the form input fields in Angular. Okay, to take the user value, to take the user inputs value. Okay, this is it. Okay, so I'll just also use here ng model on each and every input fields inside the form. Okay, so now I'll say here ng model, okay, ng model equal to like this. So let me just copy this, okay, ng model from here, and let's just paste here on each and every input fields inside the form. On each and every input fields inside the form, we will use here ng model, and we will use here other things as well. So just paste it here, and on this, okay, text area as well. So let's just paste it here, and on this select box as well. So let's just paste it here ng model as well. Okay, this is it. And now guys, I'll just say here ng model. So we will say here, okay, this, okay, c dot form data, this c dot form data, this c dot form data. So let's just say here this, okay, c dot form data. I'll say here dot name to grab the name field value, to grab the name field value, and again I'll say here this c dot form data dot email to grab the email field value, to grab the email field value, and again I'll say here c dot form data dot, I can say here phone, to grab the phone field value, and again I'll say here ng, okay, c dot form data dot, I can say here, okay, designation to grab the designation input field value, and I can say here, okay, c dot, okay, form data dot, okay, dot, I can say here the, what I can say here, I can say here address. Okay, I can say here address because this is the address field only, this is it. And on this select box as well, I'll say here ng, okay, c dot form data dot, I can say here gender. Okay, I can say here the gender. Okay, so it's gender, this is it. So guys, now just come down. Now inside the I'll just show you, so I can, let me just come here. Now I'll just say here what I'll just show you that it is the two-way data binding. So I can say here, okay, this, okay, c dot form data dot name equal to, I'll say here Prabhat, okay, Pandit, and now we will be able to see this Prabhat Pandit inside our name field value, inside our name input field value. So let's just come here, let's just save this page first, let's just save this first, and now just come here and now refresh this, okay, page as well. So see, boom guys, you can see here is the value Prabhat Pandit. Okay, here is the value Prabhat Pandit. So let's just come here, I'll just show you all the things very quickly. So let's just copy this, let's just paste it here, let's just paste it here, and let's just paste it here, and instead of name I'll say here email, and instead of email I'll say here phone, and instead of name I can say here the designation, and instead of at name I can say here address, and I can say here the email as a Prabhat at the rate yahoo.com, and I can give here the phone number as well, plus 191, and I can give you some random value. Okay, this is it, and I can give you the designation as a software developer, software developer. This is it, and I can give you the address. I can give you the address as well, Bangalore, okay, Karnataka, India. Okay, so guys, just now save this file, and now come here and now refresh this page. So come down, so see, boom guys, here is the name Prabhat Pandit, here is the email Prabhat at the rate yahoo.com, here is the phone is this, here is the designation software developer, here is the address Bangalore, Karnataka, India, and I'll just give you the gender. Okay, so guys, this is it. So we can see here this, okay, this is known as the, okay, this c dot, okay, form data, this c dot form data is used to bind the input field value, form input field value, and this way we have just, okay, connected this form field, okay, this form field using this ng model directive in Angular, using this ng model directive in Angular, using this c dot form data dot name to this c dot form data empty object. Okay, and I have shown you this is doing great, this is doing fantastic. Okay, so guys, now just now I'll create here one function as well. So guys, now I'm going to create here one function. On this function, on this form, I'll just run here one function as well. So go to the form. Now I can say here c dot, okay, I can say here c dot, okay, or I can say here okay, first of all I'll say here ng dot submit, and now I'll say here, okay, now I can say here c dot, I can give you the function name as well. I can say here submit, okay, submit form, okay, submit form. So guys, this is the function name, we have to define this function. Okay, so let's just copy this c dot submit form from here and just come down, and now below this, okay, we will create this function now. So I can say here, okay, c dot like this, let's just paste it here and give equal to, let's just remove this extra c, okay, let's just remove this, and I can run here one function as well, so like this. And now, as of now, let's just alert here something for you, or what I can do here, I can just say here one controller I can give here. I can import here the controller as a scope, and I not outside, inside this parenthesis I can say here dollar scope, okay, and I can say here sp modal as well. Okay, so this is the what can I say, dependencies. Okay, so let's just copy this, and now when this button will be clicked, what I'll say here, I'll just say here sp modal dot alert, okay, sp modal dot alert. To show the alert, I can say here hello developers, okay, hello developers. So I can say here, now just save this, and now guys, come here and now refresh this page, and now hit the button submit to submit the form to see the alert. Okay, so see, boom guys, here is the alert, hello developers. Okay, here is the alert, boom, it's doing great. Okay, so now come here, and now we don't want this alert. Okay, I give you for the explanation only, for the demo only, I don't want this alert. Okay, so let's just remove this. I can show you anytime, okay, in the few moments. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, now I'll just first of all I'll create here one array of object as well for the courses only. For the courses I'm going to create here one array of object. So I'll just say here c dot, okay, available, okay, available available courses equal to, I'll create here array of object, and I can say here the this, and I can say here name, I can say here ServiceNow, and I can give you the selected, okay, selected only false. So by default it will be false. Okay, by default it will be false unless and until it will be selected by the user manually, then it will be, okay, true. Okay, this is it. So I can give here the itsm, I can give here the itom as well, I can give here. So these are the ServiceNow modules. Okay, these are the ServiceNow modules. Okay, I can give you hrsd, and I can give you the itil as well, itil, this is it, and I can give you the SecOps as well. So guys, these are known as the ServiceNow module. So this is the array of object, okay, with the courses ServiceNow itsm, okay, itom, hrsd, itil, and SecOps. So now let me just come here, and we will show the courses here. So I'll just copy this, okay, div, and now just paste it here. So I can say here select at list one, okay, one course, okay, and now let's just remove this, and now let's just create here label element, label, and just close this label as well. This is it, and inside this label I'll create here one div. Okay, I'll create here one div. So give class also, I can give you a course as well, we can give you anything. Okay, and let's just close this div now, and inside this div, okay, I'll use the ng repeat. Okay, this is also the, guys, the ng repeat as, okay guys, ng repeat is also the angular directive which is used to look through the array or array of object inside the angular. Okay, so guys, ng repeat is again the angular directive which is used to look through the array or array of object in the older version. But guys, in the new version of angular we use ng4. Okay guys, in the new version of angular we use ng4 to look through the array of object. But inside the older version of angular, ServiceNow uses the older version of angular, so we will use here ng repeat to look through the array of object in ServiceNow in angular. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now I can say here the, what I can say here, okay, so I can say here, okay, so I can say here ng repeat equal to, I can say here just copy this, okay, c dot available courses, copy, open this, and copy this c dot available courses, and just come here and say here, okay, I can say here course in c dot available courses, and now open this div, and inside this div we will use here label. Okay, inside this div we will use here label. Okay, so inside this div we will use here label, okay, tag. So now close this label, and now remove this label from here. I don't want this extra label here. Okay, so guys, now open this label, and now I'll just create here the input field. So inside this label I'll create here the input field. So I can create here the input field. To create the checkbox, I'm going to create here the one input field. So I'll say here input, I'll give you a type, okay, as well as a checkbox. Okay, checkbox, and I can give you the class as well, or don't give you a class, we don't need class here. Okay, we don't need class here. Okay, and now I can give here the, again we can use here the ng. Okay, ng model, ng model I can use here again, and I can say here, okay, course, okay, this course dot I can use here this selected attribute or the property. Okay, if it is true or false, if user has selected this or not. Okay, we will check here if user has selected this or not. Okay, so I'll just say here like this. Okay, and now, okay, and now inside the label I'll just say here what I can say here, double curly braces, and I can say here course dot name to show the course name. Okay, so let's just save this first, and let's just see the output on the browser first. So let's just save this, and now come here and now refresh this page first. So here is the available courses. So select at least one courses. See, here is the, okay, checkbox. This is doing great, this is working fine. Okay, okay, we can check it, we can uncheck it as well. Okay, so this is doing great. Okay, so guys, now just come here, we have to create here one message also. If, okay, user has, okay, selected the gender or not. Okay, if user has selected the gender or not. Okay, so I'll just create here one div, okay, to check if user has selected the gender or not. Okay, we will create here one message. So I'll say here div, and again I'll say here the class. Okay, and again I'll just close this div, and now I'll just give here the message. Okay, I can just give you the message to check, okay, if user has, okay, like selected the gender or not. Okay, if user has not, okay, selected the gender, then we will show the message to the user that please, okay, select the gender. Okay, then only you will be able to, okay, submit the form. Okay, so now I'll just use here one directive. So let's just give here the classes as well. I can say here text, okay, text danger, and now I can say here ng show. Okay, ng show, I can use here the directive. So guys, ng show is the directive. Okay, and it is used to show or hide the, okay, text, okay, based on certain condition, based on certain, okay, result. Okay, based on certain conditions, based on certain result, based on certain calculations, this is used to show or hide the text ng show. So we will also use here this ng show. Okay, so I can say here if, okay, if it is not okay, so I can say here c dot, okay, c dot, okay, I can say here c dot form data, c dot form data. Okay, so guys, this form data, okay, this form data, okay, this form data I have explained you. Okay, this form data, okay, this form data, okay, this form data. Okay, so I'll just check here if this is okay or not. Okay, so I'll say here so just come here this c dot form data dot gender. Okay, if it is selected or not. Okay, if it is selected or not. Okay, and now again I'll just check here through this and sign. Okay, through this and sign again I'll check for the different condition. Okay, and I'll say here she, okay, this c dot, okay, I can say here show error. Okay, so show error. So we will create this, okay, variable as well. So copy this variable now from here, and we will create here, okay, this variable as well. So let's just give here this variable, and as of now, okay, let's just make it let's just give here default value as a false. Okay, so let's just give here default value as a false. Okay, this is it. So now if it is saying, okay, if it is saying, if it is not selected, if user has not selected the gender, or this error is true, or this, okay, show error is true, we will show here one message. Okay, then we will show here one message, please, okay, please select your gender. This is it. Okay, so guys, this is it. So now just come here, and now inside this form, okay, inside this, okay, like our like what is this client controller. Inside the client controller, what we will say here. So now I'll just create here one function. Okay, so here is the function we have created here, c.submit. Okay, c.submit, I'll just create here this function. So now I'll just say here again, I'll first of all I'll check here if, okay, if, okay, so I'll say here, I can say here, guys, okay, this c dot, okay, this c dot show error. Okay, this c dot not say here form data. Okay, so say here form data, and I can say here dot gender. Okay, if it is not selected, if it is not selected, then only we will say here, okay, then only we will say here c dot, okay, show, okay, show error equal to, I'll give here true. Okay, so we will show the error, please select the gender, and I'll just return here, I'll do nothing. Okay, so just as of now, guys, as of now, just now save this file. Okay, as of now, just save this file and come here, and now refresh this page. Okay, so now try to submit the form. Okay, now try to submit the form without giving this, without selecting this gender, without choosing the gender. Now try to submit the form. You can see here, boom, guys, you can see here, please select your gender. Okay, so now let's just refresh this page, and again try to submit the form without choosing the gender. So submit the form now. You can see here, please select your gender. Okay, so this is doing great. Refresh this page. Okay, and now try to choose the gender. Okay, so say here male, and now hit the button submit form. Now see, now there is no issue, there is no problem at all, but we have to make this course mandatory as well. Okay, we have to make this course mandatory as well. So come here, not here, not here. So now we will just say here on each and every input field also we will give here one attribute as well. On each and every input field we will give here one attribute which is required. Okay, which is required. So it is going to make the input field mandatory to fill. Okay, it is going to make the input field mandatory to be filled. Okay, so let's just paste here required also. So let's just paste here required also. So this will make the input field mandatory to be filled. So let's just paste it here, and let's just give here as well. So required. Okay, and now okay, so this is it. So now let's just save this page one more time, and let's just remove all the data. Okay, let's just refresh this page first, and let's just remove all the data. Let's just remove all the data from all the input fields. So let's just make it empty, the input fields now. Okay, and now try to submit the form. You can see here it is going to ask every time you have to fill this form. Okay, you have to, guys, fill this form at any cost. Okay, at any cost you have to fill this form. Okay, so this is doing great. So let's just refresh this page now. So now here is the data in each and every input fields. So here is name, Prabhat Pandit, email is this, phone number is this, designation is this, phone number is this, and now without choosing the gender, try to submit the form. See, please select your gender. So this is compulsory, this is mandatory, and now choose male. So now error is gone. Now try to submit the form. See, there is no any issue, there is no any problem at all. So this is doing great. So now, guys, just come here. We have to make this, okay, courses. Okay, we have to make this courses mandatory as well. So let's just, this is our, okay, new, okay, and now this is, try to see here what is the am I forgetting anything here? Am I forgetting anything here? No, nothing I am forgetting here. So just come here, we have to make this courses mandatory now. So now come here, we have to make this courses mandatory as well. So inside the function only, we have to inside the function only I'm going to make this courses mandatory. So user has to, guys, user has to choose the course at least. Okay, one course user has to choose. Okay, so guys, we have to make this courses mandatory as well. User has to choose the course at least one course user has to choose. Okay, so uh, now guys, okay, so give me, guys, okay, a few moments only. Okay, so guys, now just come here, we have to make the form now. Okay, I mean the courses. Okay, so user has to choose at least one courses. So come here, and now I can say here, I can create here one const. Okay, I can create here one const as well. So const, and I can say here selected course. Okay, selected, say here courses, because it is more than one. So I can just use here, I can just use here c dot available courses, c dot available courses, and I will use here the uh, like the filter method to filter the courses. Okay, available courses, if the user has choose selected any courses or not. Okay, so I can say here dot filter, I can say here filter, and I can say here one callback function as well, course equal to, I'll just say here course. Okay, course, and I can just choose here the selected courses. Okay, so say here courses, selected courses, and now I'll use here the map method as well. Okay, to the create the to create one array. Okay, so to create one array, I'll create here the map method. Again, I'll say here the course as a callback function only. So now I can say here course, okay, dot name to show only the name, to show only the name. Okay, so this is it. And now let's just use inside the here, so it will not have any, okay, like this curly line below this. Okay, so this is it. So guys, this is it. Okay, it will create a one array with the course name only, with the course name only. It will create here one array, guys. It will create here one courses. So first of all, guys, it is going to filter the courses which is chosen, which is selected by the user. Guys, first of all, this will create the filter. This will filter all the courses which will be the selected, which will be the chosen by the user, and then this map will only show the name of the courses. Okay, like itsm. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is it. And now I'll just come here again, I'll create here one if method. Again, I'll create here one if block of code. Okay, and I'll check. Okay, I'll check here this. Okay, with this only, with this only dot length. Okay, dot length if equal to 0, if equal to 0. I'll just alert the user, I'll just alert the user. So not alert the user. Okay, let's just alert the user only, we can't show modal everywhere. Okay, I'll just say here please select at least one course. Okay, and let's just return here, we want to do anything here, so let's just return. This is it. Okay, so guys, as of now, just save this file. Okay, as of now, just save this file, and we will come here and we will check. Okay, if it is working or not. Okay, so come here, refresh this page. So now try to submit the form. So please select your gender, so choose your gender from here, and now try to submit the form again without choosing any courses from here. Hit submit button now. So see, please select at least one courses, click OK. So we have to choose here the courses. So I'm going to choose here the ServiceNow, and now try to submit the form. See, boom guys, now we don't have any issue, we don't have any problem. Okay, so we don't have any issue, we don't have any problem. Okay, so guys, now just come here, we will create here one. Okay, now guys, we will create here one, okay, temporary object. Okay, so guys, now the form, when guys, suppose when the form is now going to submitted, guys, suppose now the form is okay, and now the form will be submitted. So we will create here one temporary object as well. Okay guys, I'm going to create here one temporary object as well. So I'll create here one const. Okay, I'll just say here const. Okay, I'll just create here one temporary object as well. I can say here const, and I can give you the, I can say here user data, like this. I'll create here the JavaScript object here. So let's just close this, and now okay, so guys, this is the temporary object. Okay guys, this is the this is a temporary object. Okay, this is the temporary object. I'm going to create here one temporary object with the properties name, email, phone number, address, something like that. Okay, this is it. So say here name, and let's just say here email, let's just say here a phone. Okay, let's just say here address, let's just say here address, let's just say here after phone I'll say here designation. Okay, designation, and let's just say here address, and let's just say here the gender as well. I'll show the gender of the user as well. Okay, he or she, and let's just say here the, I can say here courses. Okay, courses, this is it. And now what I'll say here, I'll say here c dot. Okay, c dot. Okay, this c dot, this form data. Okay, this form data, because this form data contains the everything. This form data, this c dot form data contains the everything from this form. Okay, everything from this form. This, okay guys, from this form input fields, this, okay, this form, okay, c dot form data contains everything. Okay, contains everything. So let's just copy this, and let's just come here, and let's just paste it here, 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 let's just paste it here. But not, this is the not c dot form data. This course is different, this course is different. Okay, this course is different. So I'll just say here dot name to create the name. I'll say here email, so put here comma, and I'll say here dot phone to create the phone object or the value, and I can say here the designation, put comma. I can say here the address as well, put comma, and I can say here the dot gender. Okay, put comma. And now instead of courses, I'll just say here all these selected courses. Okay, all the selected courses from here, and just paste it here. Okay, and just paste it here. Okay, this is it. So guys, now what I'll do here, so guys, this is the temporary object, this is the temporary object. So now we will store this object in a permanent object. Okay, so guys, this is the temporary object, and now we will store, guys, this is the temporary object. We will store this temporary object inside the permanent object, so that we can show it to the UI, to the user, so that we can show it on the UI to the user. Okay, so guys, this is the permanent object. It will be removed, it will be erased once our form is submitted. This temporary object will be removed, this temporary object will be erased once the form is submitted. So we have to store, we have to hold, we have to keep this, okay, temporary object inside the any other permanent object, inside the any other permanent variable object, so that we will be able to show this data on the UI to the user. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. So let's just come up, and I'm going to copy this c.user data object from here, which is the empty object, and I'll just assign this Okay, I'll just assign this with this temporary object. Okay, so this is, close this is it. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay guys, this is it. Let's just now say here console. I can say here, not confirm, I'll say here console to show you. Okay, so console.log, I can say here. Okay, so I can say here user data submitted through the form, colon, give space, put comma, and now I'll just show this user data, or let's just copy this from here, otherwise you will be confused. So let's just copy this from here and let's just paste it here. And guys, as of now, just save this page. And now come here and now refresh this page. And now just open the developer tool, go to the inspect and go to the console. So as of now we don't have any, go to the console. So guys, as of now we don't have any data, we don't have any user data. So now I'll just choose here the gender first. So choose your gender male. I'll just choose here the ServiceNow as a course only, and let's just choose here this itsm as well, and now submit the form. So see, boom guys, boom guys, here is the user data submitted through the form. So guys, here is the address Bangalore Karnataka, here is the course ServiceNow and itsm. So see, and here is the designation software developer, here is the email Prabhat@yahoo.com, here is the gender male, and here is the name, okay, Prabhat Pandit, and here is the phone number this. Okay, and here's the guys course, here is the an array, you can see here, this is the array, the courses array, you can see ServiceNow and itsm. So now let's just choose here all the courses, let's just select here all the courses. Okay, and now again try to submit the form. Okay, so let's just, everything is fine. So instead of my name, I can say here Priya Kumari. So Priya Kumari Sharma. Okay, and it's Sharma, and I can give it the address as a Pune only. Okay, so now, so she is a male, I mean female, I'm very sorry. So now she is a female, and I have selected here all the courses. So now let's just close this and now submit the form. So see, boom guys, here is the user data. Okay, so guys, here is the user data. So see, here is the address is Pune, here is the all the courses ServiceNow, itsm, itom, hrsd, itil, and SecOps, and here is the designation software developer, here is the email Prabhat@yahoo.com, here is the gender female, name is Priya Kumari Sharma, and here is the phone number. Okay, so guys, this is doing great, this is doing fantastic. So just close this now, we have to show the data now. Okay, so guys, we have to show the data now. I'm going to show the data very quickly. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show the data now. So just come here. Okay, so guys, now I'll show you the data now. So let's just create here one more variable here. I just create here one more variable here. I'll say here, I can say here c dot, okay, c dot, I'll say here show. Okay, I can say here show results. See here, show result panel equal to, I can give you false, as of now false. Let's just close this, and I can give you the I can say here the c dot, okay, success msg as well. msg. Okay, again I can give you the false as well. Okay, so close this, this is it. Okay, so guys, now I'll show the data now. We're getting the data, so we will show the data now. So now just come up, and inside this, okay, here below this form, okay, below this form I just create here one panel. I can say here div, I can give the class as well. So div class, I can say here panel, I can say here panel info. This is it, and let's just close this div. And now okay, and now I'll just show the guys the data now. So we have to do here some kind of okay, like what can I say, conditional rendering. Okay, so guys, give me 2 minutes only. So now guys, we will create here one panel, and I can give here margin top 4 also, and inside this panel only, inside this panel I'll say here, I can say here what can I say here, I can say here ng if, I'll use here ng if equal to ng if. Okay, so let me just go down, and I'll just use this panel. Okay, what I have given here, so this is false. As of now this is false, so once the form is submitted we will make it true. So let's just paste it here, not here, it's here. Okay, and now inside this div only, I can just create here one alert. Okay, as well. So create here div, get the class, first close this div now, and inside this I can give the class as a alert. Okay, I can say here alert, I can say here alert success, and I can give you the again the ng if directive. Okay, ng if directive, and I can just use this. Okay, I can just use this variable. Okay, c dot okay success msg, okay, to show the success message. Okay, that form is submitted successfully. Okay, to the user. So let's just paste it here, and now inside this div now, so let's just inside this div now, so this is the panel to show the result. Okay, and inside this div now I'll say here record saved successfully. Okay, record saved successfully. So now we have to go down, we have to go down, and we have to guys copy this we have to copy this, and when the form is submitted, so this is the submit form function. When the form is submitted, what we will do here, we will just come here, and we will say here instead of false we will make it true to show the result. Okay, true. Okay, so sure it is here, and now so again we will make it false. Okay, so here we have make it true to show the error, and if the form is submitted we will again make it false. So let's just paste it here. As of now, just now save this file. Yeah, so file is now saved. Come here and now refresh this page, and now submit the form, choose mail, itsm and ServiceNow. Now hit submit the form now. So see, boom guys, you can see here record saved successfully. Here is the display. Okay, message is now shown here. Here is the display message now shown here. So now come here, and now okay, display message is now shown here. This is it. Okay, so I don't think we should be worried about the class only. So let's just if we are worried about the class, okay, so if we are worried about the class, I can just no issue at all, I can do this for you guys. Margin, I can say here top. Okay, margin top I will give here. Okay, 15px, and I can say here margin autumn 15px as well. Okay, this is it. So guys, now just now this is it. Okay, so we will create here one button now. Okay, so here I'll just create here one button. Okay, below this div now I'll just create here one button to toggle the visibility of the result. Okay, so we can hide the result, we can show the result I showed you. Okay, like this, come here like this. Okay, we can hide the result, we can show the result. So we will just create the button now. So come here, I'm going to create the button now. So button, and just close this button now. So just close this button now, and I can say here I can just create the text dynamically. So come here, I can say here I can say here c dot, okay, I can say here c dot btn text, c dot btn text. I can say here initially what I'll show here, initially I'll say here so it will be initially it will be say here hide result. Okay, hide result, copy this c dot button text from here, and now just give here interpolation or a string interpolation, and I can say here the class as well. So I can say here class. Okay, I can say here btn, I can say here warning. Okay, this is it. So let's just now on this button I'll create here one function as well. So I can say here I can say here ng click. Okay, I can say here ng click equal to, I can say here c dot, okay, toggle result, okay, like this. This is it. We will define this function. So copy this and we will define this function now. So don't worry, come here, it is very easy also. So now we will define this function. So this is the form, okay, submit function, and now below this I can just say here like this, and give here equal to, I can say here function. Let's just remove this first, then only it will give the auto suggestion. Okay, I can say here equal to function, and now this, and now I can say here. So first of all, let me guys, okay, say here I'll just say here I can guys just say here I can just say here toggle visibility. Okay, I can just say here toggle visibility. Okay, so let's just say here this come up, and I can just use here, okay, I can just use here this, okay, to toggle the things, this variable name c dot success message. So let's just paste it here, and now I'll go to negation, and I will say here, okay, c dot success message. Okay, this is it. Okay, and now I'll just say here on this div now, below this button I will create here one div again. So create here div, give the class, and just close this div now. I can say here I can give here the class as a say here badge, not badge, don't say anything, say here p3 or p4. Okay, and I can say here rounded, and I can say here bg success. Okay, open this inside this div I'll say here ng, I can say here ng, I can say here ng, it is a directive, so I'll just use here if. Okay, and if equal to, I can use this, okay, variable. So I can say here this variable, where is the variable? So here is the variable c dot success msg to show the message or hide the message. So let's just paste it here, open this div now. Okay, and inside this div we will show here the user data. Okay, so inside this div I'll show here h1 I'll create here, h1 I'll create here, h1 and close this h1 now, so I can see here user details. Okay, and now I will just show here first name. So again I can create here the h1 and close this h1, and I will make here instead of h1 I'll make here h3, and now what I'll do here, I'll say here double or like curly braces, or we can say here the interpolation or string interpolation. So now what I'll do here, so now everything is inside, inside this c.user data dot name to show the name. Okay, so now just paste it here, and I can see here dot name to show the name. Okay, to show the name. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys now let me guys, okay, I'll say here, so first of all I'll just say here, let me just check what is the so this is it. So now let me just change the button text also, and dynamically I'll change the button text as well. So dynamically I'll change the button text as well. So copy this button text, copy this, and we will check with the condition. Now we will check here, come down inside this function, what I'll do here, I'll just say here if of, okay, I can just say here if equal to if this equal to, okay, if c dot like what can I say, success message. Okay, if okay, so it will, okay, so if variable this is, if it is true or false, so based on this what I'll do here, I can just change the button text. Okay, based on this based on this condition I can change the button text hide. Okay, I can say here the hide result to show result. Close this. So now just save this file, and now come here and now refresh this page. I'm very sorry. So guys, now just come here and choose here the gender male, and give you the only one courses ServiceNow, or let's just say here itsm as well, and now submit the form. So see, boom guys, here is the user details. Prabhat Pandit is, I have shown here the Prabhat Pandit only. So here is the name Prabhat Pandit, and we can hide the result. We can see, we can hide the result, we can show the result, we can hide the result. Okay, so now I don't want this border radius, so I don't want this border radius. So what I'll do here, I'll just not here or here, so I can just remove this rounded. This is it. You can see here I have shown you only name, and now let me show all the details now. So let's just copy this, and let's just paste this, let's just paste this, let's just paste this, and let's just paste this. So name I'll show here email, and I'll show here phone. I can show here the designation, I can show here the address, and now to show the so let me just see here, here is the let me just show here the gender as well. So let's just show here the gender as well. So gender, and now I'll show here the courses as well. So instead of this, what I'll show here, I will show here guys what I'll show here, I'll show here this course. So this is the array, this is the array. What I'll do here, what I'll do here, I'll just say here, I'll just say here control Z, and I can just say here c.user data dot courses dot, I can just use here the join method as well. So to join the array in a single string, okay, to join the array in a single string, give comma. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now let's just save the file. Okay guys, now let's just save the file. Let's just save the file, and now I can come here, I can come here, and now refresh this page. I can refresh this page, and now let's just choose your gender, male, and let's just select all the courses, select all the courses, and now hit the button submit form now. So see, boom guys, we can see here only, okay, record saved successfully. But what I did here, so it's email. Okay, so what I did here guys, did I save this form, did I save this page, did I save this page? So now let's just, okay, so hide result, and now refresh this page, and now come here, so select the gender male, choose here ServiceNow and itsm, hit the button. So now we can't see the result here, so let me just check what is the issue here. I think there is no issue at all. Okay, there is the issue here, there is the issue here guys. Okay, there is the issue here. So this is the join method, this is the join method. Okay, so this is the issue here. So I can say here c.user data dot courses. So now just save, and now come here, and now refresh the page one more time. Yeah, so go down, choose the gender here, male, select here ServiceNow and itsm, and now hit the button submit. So see, boom guys, boom, here is the name, here is the email address, here is the phone number, here is the software developer, here is the address, here is the mail, and here is the ServiceNow and itsm. So I'm doing here one thing wrong. Okay, so let's just guys, first of all, I can what I can do here, I can just say here strong, I can say here close the strong, so strong, I can just copy this, and I can just paste it here, I can just paste it here, I can just paste it here, I can paste it here, paste it here, and paste it here as well. So I'll say here name, I can say here email. What is the issue guys? Email, I can say here phone, I can say here the designation, can say here the address, I can say here the gender, I can say here the courses you choose, or say here selected. Okay, this is it. So now just save this, and guys, okay, don't worry, I'll just reset the form first. So now I'll just reset the form. So let's just copy this. Okay, where is the data? So copy this. Okay, c dot form data to reset the form. So paste it here, and now I'll just reset the courses as well. So I can say here c dot available courses dot, I can say here c dot available courses dot, I can say here for each. So for each, and now I can say here course, and I'll use here this factor function, and I can say here course dot selected dot, I can say here equal to false. So again just false, again just deselect, again just deselect all the courses. Okay, after submitting the form. So now just set the page, and now come here, and now refresh the page. So now submit the page or the form first. So choose the gender from here, male, and give here all the courses: ServiceNow, itsm, itom, okay, itil, hrsd, and SecOps as well. Okay, so submit the form now. So see, everything is now, so now the form is now reset. You can see form is now reset. Okay, and you can see here is the details, guys. Boom, guys, here is the details. Okay guys, here is the details: name Prabhat Pandit, email is this, phone number is this, designation is this, address is this, and gender is male. Okay, and you selected the courses. Okay, so let me just do here one thing, one little modification, one little enhancement only. So one little enhancement only. So see here colon, see here colon, see here colon, okay. So now let me just see what is the issue here. Here is the padding, I have to provide here padding as well. So let's just say here, okay, so p4 is not working because this is the classes of bootstrap version 4. So let's just say here, okay, padding I can give here 15px. So now save this. Okay, so now save this, and now come here, and now refresh this page. Now come here, choose the gender male, and select all the courses: itsm, itom, hrsd, itil, and SecOps. So now submit the form. So see, boom, guys, here is the user details: name is Prabhat Pandit, email is this, phone number is this, designation is this, address is Bangalore, Karnataka, India, gender is male, and courses you selected: ServiceNow, itsm, itom, hrsd, itil, and SecOps. Okay, so this is doing great. Okay, there is no issue, there is no any problem at all. So let's just give here the new data. I can say here Priya Sharma. I can give you the Priya at the rate dummy.com. I can give you any random number. This is the random number only. I can say here UI developer. I can say here the Pune only. This is very small and easy to write address, and choose the gender female and give you a service now itsm and hrsd. Okay, submit the form now. So submit it. So see, boom guys, here is the name, new name, Priya Sharma. Email is this, phone number is this, designation is okay, UI developer, address is Pune, gender is male, and courses and course you selected ServiceNow, ITSM and HRSD. Okay, so guys, this is doing great, this is doing fine. Okay guys, I hope you have learned something cool, something great, something dynamic in ServiceNow from today's video, from today's tutorial as well. Okay, and I hope guys you will subscribe now my this channel. Okay, code with ER. Okay, if you haven't subscribed guys already, please guys subscribe now my this channel, code with ER. Please guys, it's a request from a friend to a friend, from a brother to a brother. Guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel already, so please guys, this is the good time, this is the best time to subscribe my channel, code with ER. Okay, so please guys subscribe now my this channel, code with ER. Okay, so I hope guys you have learned something cool, something great in ServiceNow, and you will just try to okay learn ServiceNow with me in this, like on this channel only, code with ER. Okay, and guys, in the next video we will learn how to store, how to save this data inside the ServiceNow table only. So guys, in the next video, in the next session, we will learn, we will know how to store, how to save this data inside the ServiceNow table only, and from that table only we will fetch the data and we will show. Okay, so guys, we will in the next video we will learn how to save this data, how to store this data inside the ServiceNow custom table, and from that table we will fetch the data and we will show the data. Okay, inside the ServiceNow service portal in ServiceNow only. So guys, subscribe now my this channel, code with ER, if you aspire to become a great and dynamic ServiceNow developer in coming future, in coming okay what can I say, the months only. Okay, so I hope guys you will subscribe now my this channel, code with ER, and you will press the bell icon also, and you will like this video also. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.